Tesla is set to pay tribute to the state of California with a new statue, and the proposed statue would be present on Page Mill Road in Stanford Research Park near Tesla engineering headquarters. Tesla is planning to build a Cybertruck-inspired bear statue outside of its global engineering headquarters in Palo Alto. The report says bear would be 16 feet and 5 inches long and 11 feet and 5 inches tall. Bear will be made of metal according to filling, which would represent Tesla roots in the industry, and Tesla also plan on having glowing spotlight around the bear statue that can provide different colors and lighting design based on the events and holidays.